I'm sorry if I'm not myself. I've been going through it and it feels like hell. Living with these memories, they don't help. Looking back and it's been so long. You wouldn't even know it cause you've been gone. I can feel it coming but I gotta move on. I'm lucid and fighting my way out the dark. Trying to breathe, overwhelmed by my thoughts. Facing myself but I don't know where to start. I'm in the middle of a nightmare. I need to get away. I'm buried under the broken dreams. I don't know who to blame. I'm in a never-ending nightmare. I know I'm going insane. But when I'm under the curtain call, there's nothing left to save. There's nothing left to save. So many wrong turns led me to this. I had the world at my fingertips. So my reflection's making me sick. It's making me sick. I'm losing